Hey everyone, so here's Klarna app, shop now, pay later. So the idea is super cool. When you buy stuff using this app, then you just split the cost of your purchase into 3 small interest-free payments. So just tap get, use Touch ID to install, and then then the app should be installed. Yes, this is how it looks like. There are new deals every day. You can manage your payments, all of that. So 168 megabytes, a lot of languages. It's mostly this app is introduced in Europe, but I think you can try it out just for internet payments. And then you need to select the country of residence. Okay, so these are the countries. So you can see it here. So some European countries, United States, UK, New Zealand, Australia, and Canada. That's it. And not all European countries, just a few. And then you just need to create an account or sign in. I will describe that in the next video.